Grandma, can I help?
Of course, dear. Just watch me first.
I want to help too.
You can both help. We'll make a pie.
Grandma, look, I picked this apple for you.
Oh, how lovely. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
These look wonderful, dear.
They do. Ready for the next one?
Yes, this one will be a star.
Perfect.
Mom, can we bake today?
Of course, dear. I'd love that. Watch closely, dears. See how it swirls together?
Wow, it's like magic. It's so pretty. Wow, it's steaming so much.
It is. The food is cooking nicely.
It smells so good.
It does.
The bread is warm.
It smells so good. Can we eat now?
Patience, dears.
Grandma, this pie is so yummy.
It is. Grandma's recipe is the best.
I'm glad you like it, dear. The rain is letting up. Good. We can go for a walk later.
Yay, I want to see the garden.
Me too.